Hi everyone, we are the Fit Things team. In 2015, my father Rick came to me and my brother Christoph, frustrated about the fact that he could never find the right size box in order to pack odd size goods in his printing business. With his technical background, he now wanted to build a machine that could cut perfectly fitted packaging. We immediately saw the potential for millions of customers all over the world. So we built that solution, and by 2017 we came to the market with the original Slimbox, focused on companies that are in constant need for boxes with different dimensions. The technology was based on creating big boxes from a small machine, because let's be honest, no one ever has enough space. Since it has a CO2 laser on the inside, we unintentionally invented the largest compact laser cutter in the world, which of course can cut many more materials than just corrugated cardboard. And because of that, we received a lot of extra requests. So now we created our first prototype for the Slimbox ME. The development of the original Slimbox was a real challenge. It has more than 10 different technologies built in. We have learned so much more about cutting, electronics, hardware development, moving parts, material types, filtering, cooling, strength calculations, airflows, turning and milling, bending, welding, painting, wood crafting, lead times, product cycles, warehouse management, ordering, project management, building relationships with both our suppliers and customers, servicing, warranty, after-sales service, ERP systems, cost reductions, quality checks, certifications, export and import, app software and firmware development, etc. And on top of that, we also build an outstanding team that has proven to be really strong in tough times. Every single team member has its own specialty, and that makes us rock. We are ready to take on this new challenge, but this time we want you on board. Back us up, get yourself this incredible machine and start doing crazy projects. We guarantee you won't regret this. Thank you.